Everyone considered him coward of the county. He never stayed one single time to prove a corner wrong. His mama named him Tommy, the folks just called him Yellow. Somebody's always told me they'll read a Tommy wrong. He was only 10 years old and his daddy's out in prison. I look after Tommy 'cause he was my brother's son. I still recall the final words my brother said to Tommy. Send my life to silver, the deal has just begun. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. It don't mean a week if you turn the other chicks. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be me. There's someone for everyone, and Tommy's love was Becky. In her arm, it didn't hurt to prove he was a man. One day while he was working, the gambling boys came calling. They took turns to Becky, and there was 3 of them. Tommy opened up the door and saw his Becky crying. Turned us and shuddered look is more than he could stand. He reached the bar near the fireplace and turned loose. Gone to Becky and she was still laughing cold. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. It don't mean a week if you turn the other chicks. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. The gambling boys just love our team when they walk into the barroom. One of them got up and met him halfway across the floor. When Tommy turned around, they said, "Hell, look how Yellow's living." But he could hear the pen drop when Tommy stopped and locked the door. 20 years of crawling, they bottled up inside him. He wasn't holding nothing back, he let him have it all. When Tommy left the barroom, the gambling boys were standing. He said he's on to Becky, and she was still laughing cold. And I heard him sing, "I promise you did not to do the things you've done. Walk away from trouble when I can. So please don't think I'm weak, I didn't turn the other chicks. So Papa, I should hope you'll understand. Sometimes you gotta fight when you're a man." Everyone considered him the coward of the county.